Hello and welcome to another update video about Ripple XRP. Just want to give you a quick update of where we are in terms of the price. Overall, I think what we did back here from July into September, we made an 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 impulsive move to the upside. We had then this ABC correction. Now the ABC correction, is it complete? I don't think so. I think the C might actually be somewhere down there. Purely because the chart hasn't built an impulse yet, and also because I expect further downtrends for Bitcoin. So in line with that, I would expect the price comes down once more into our target area here. If you remember, I gave you that target area when we were somewhere up here at around $1 or something, just coming down here, or even when we were higher, I can't remember, but it was somewhere up here. So we peaked up in there into the target area, and that worked out really well. It was only a wick, but we came into the target area based here on the ABC. So the Elliott Waves again projected it quite well, and to be honest, I find really the Elliott Waves one of the most accurate tools to predict any price moves in the crypto world. Not only in the crypto world, also in terms of stocks and shares, but I don't really share that on this channel here. Stocks and shares, gold market, and so on, and they are really the most accurate tools. It's always, it just shows you what is possible, even though people often believe it wouldn't be. I mean, who would be, I wouldn't have, without using the Elliott Waves, I wouldn't have believed up here that, or here, that we'll come once more into this target area. But by using the analysis, applying the tools, it was just the most likely scenario, and we did that. So a lot of people, there are always people saying that technical analysis cannot give you an idea of where price might go. I think with the Elliott Waves, you have a very accurate tool. Of course, it doesn't work all the time, of course not, but so far, I think, and the viewers of this channel hopefully can confirm, it is really working. And, I hope I can really help you with these here. And again, I've watched some other TAs yesterday about XRP from other YouTubers, and I don't know, they all talk about the price skyrocketing here from here, that you get a triangle or whatever, and then you can skyrocket. But honestly, there's nothing bullish in this chart I can see really at the moment. You make from up here, you make a lower high, you make a lower high, a series of lower highs. And even this wick is actually quite bearish. A lot of people say it's bullish. I think it's bearish just because of the selling pressure here, just because we haven't built an impulse yet. Just the sellers weren't ready yet at the time to push the price even lower, but I think it's going to come. And even this half-hearted uptrend here isn't really anything that we could call bullish in my view. We have come here into this target area around $1. We didn't go through $1, yeah, and I did tell you before, as long as we stay below $1, I'm very confident that we go back below into the range down there. So yeah, the dollar wasn't broken really, only for an hour or whatever, or a day. So we came back below it, found then resistance here again at the 55-day EMA here in purple. And since then we are above this ascending trend line here in white. So we are sort of in a range between this red line here at $1 and $2, yeah, and this ascending trend line here. So within here, I would expect some movement. Could be, now we are very close to that trend line. Someone who wanted to go in long here could do it. Speculative, position, especially now that we are here at a breakout point. Yeah, exactly here at 86 cents. This is, in my view, a breakout point. Nothing too exciting, but it could work out for a long trade. You've got a breakout point here. Actually, the momentum is going up. You can actually see it from the price. Breakout above 86 cents, but then securing it with a stop loss because it is risky. In my view, this is not an impulse. It's not an uptrend, really, not a strong uptrend. So I wouldn't personally go in here as a trade. As dollar cost average, absolutely. That's my view. Why not dollar cost averaging in here? No financial advice, of course, but these are prices where I think throughout the year, end of the year, whatever, we won't see these prices again for Ripple XRP. I think they are really attractive. Yes, I think we can come down lower. That's also what I'm leaning towards. Absolutely. I think what we're doing here within this wave C, I think we're doing an ABC, again, in a smaller scale, coming down into this target area. I'm actually not sure if this yellow target area is bearish enough. I'm very honest with you. This is sitting between 70 cents and 50 cents. Bear in mind, we already came into it. So anybody who says that low, really? But we only were there on the 4th of December. So it's nothing is impossible. And it's I'm not quite sure if I'm bearish enough here, but I think this should hold. But I think we're going to see that again, yeah, especially as XRP is failing to really show us here an impulse to the upside. This is looking very corrective at the moment, especially with these strong retracements to the downside again. But here this could be a short-term trade, you know, from 86 with a target, yeah, of $1, you know, maybe just below $1, because, you know, you don't really want to risk it too much. Maybe 96 cents, yeah, that is the fib level, the 0.5 fib level. You know, not massive, but at least could be here. It's also a nice 10%, you know, but this is nothing exciting. Of course, you know, moving up here currently in sort of an ascending triangle, because what you can see, you have a lot of resistance here at this 86 cent level. Yes, there was a bit of a fake out here, but overall we are adhering to the ascending trend line and resistance here at this horizontal. And then I would think this could, if it breaks out, could be a nice trade. But overall, I wouldn't be surprised if in a few days or weeks we're coming down into this yellow target area again. Short term, there is potential for further upside. Of course, there is as well. But the Elliott Waves show us here a trend, still continuation to the downside. And now this doesn't change anything if we move up here. I would get more bullish if we break the dollar level, but we have tried here. We have tried here. We might try again, yeah. But then if you try again and you fail again, I think that could really give us the move here to the downside, yeah. Or it would just take a long time here. I think not too much is going to happen here before the 19th of September, 19th of January. I think on the 19th there is the next date in court, so we're gonna know more at that point in time. I you know, fundamentally, I don't doubt XRP at all. And also, I think it's going to win, or there will be a settlement. So I'm not worried at all here. But everybody who's investing in XRP needs to know that it is risky because of that court case. And after that, when that is finally resolved, I think that could give it the catalyst to move out here. It's done what it needs to do. A, B, it has come into the wave C target area. It has done it already. It has come into that area. It has done it. So it's done what it needs to do in terms of that correction. But I think just looking at the chart here, there is some further downward potential. But overall, we've come into these areas. So from here, we could theoretically move up, but I think in the current market environment, it's very difficult, especially as I expect Bitcoin to move down once more. So I don't think XRP will suddenly decouple from Bitcoin and then emerge here out of the ashes when Bitcoin is going, you know, to the ground floor. We can see here, I think next for this year, I would expect at least the 1.618 target level of 197. So pretty much the $2 level is very realistic. Maybe even the 231 level, so the 200%, or in probably a best case this year, the 2.618 extension 287. And that could be quite a bit of a nice upside potential. And if you really can grab some here. So I have my buy orders, my limit orders set for Ripple XRP, also my sell orders set. Anybody who is interested to join the channel membership on can get access to Discord and Telegram if you join as silver or gold member, either on my website or here on YouTube, and you get access to my buy and sell orders. Bear in mind, these are not like day trade orders, but they are areas where I am with a very good feeling can start to dollar cost average in, buying low, selling high, then always taking profits along the way. That is important, and it has worked out very well here in the last few weeks for AVAX, for example. And we had a few other ones as well that I already forgot about. No, but AVAX did work out really well. Also here, Terra Luna, so at the top, really nice as well. So yeah, I think this works, but it needs a bit of patience as everything. So yeah, hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please smash the like button and subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.